All right. We are in a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range. Yes, we are. This here takes little to no introduction. Absolutely beautiful bullpup configuration here on this rifle. Fully ambidextrous. If it's not my fave, it's definitely one. Love this rifle. Ladies and gentlemen, the bullpup is clear and safe. What do we have here? We have the Springfield Hellion chambered in 5.56. Lo que estás mirando es el Springfield Hellion en calibre 5.56. A mí me encanta este rifle. That one don't say nothing. Ese no dice nada. Ese bien calladito. Qué rico. That one fell. Oh, what a shoot. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, look at here. Just noticed. Make sure you check, double check, and check again for any type of malfunctions. That bolt is back. The magazine is empty, but we did have, it looks like a stovepipe. That one shell casing did not eject properly. But she is clear, and make sure that she is safe. The Springfield Hellion chambered in 5.56 with the Vortex AMG UH-1. I absolutely enjoy. When I say enjoy, this has to be the most personalized, best fitting rifle for me. Although I'm not a big fan of the bullpup, just because of the configuration. For me, it's a little confusing, but it is great. Okay, para mí, este rifle me queda lo mejor. Aunque esto no es personalmente hecho para mí, porque tengo los brazos un poquito más cortico, para mí se siente lo mejor. Safety. Esa mierda se cayó. What a beautiful shoot. Now, clear and safe, and make safe. The functions on here are fully ambidextrous functions. You do have your safety selector on both sides, and your charging capabilities are left and right side, as you can see, which is great straight out of the box. No adjustments needed. These love bugs are going to make me cuss. It does have the ability to have a right side or left side ejection. You're able to switch that over, as you can see here. You do have dust covers on both sides. So this is a full ambidextrous rifle. Let's shoot some more. Se me cayó el steel. El safety está duro como cojones, though. The safety selection is very, very tight. You can choose to... Ooh, those casings are coming out on my arm because of that strap. Me cago en 10. She butter me. All right. She is clear and she is safe, as you can see. They getting worse and worse. Golly. Okay, if you're just now joining, si está viniendo a mirar este video por la primera vez, estamos hablando de Springfield Hellion en 5.56, 223, and this is in a... La configuración se llama bullpup. Bullpup configuration. Love it. One of my faves for sure. And that is the confusion of it. Although it's kind of weird setup, because your grip is usually towards the end, you're gonna probably find yourself trying to grab that magazine as if you were grabbing the actual grip of this rifle. Eso no dice nada, that says nothing. Beautiful. Thank you, sir. Do you see these love bugs around my face? What a shoot. Beautiful, beautiful shoot. Empty, bolt back, and safe. Get my magazine. Esto sí es una tirada súper rica. A mí me encanta mucho. Y'all ain't just see that slap. Slap myself in the face. The safety is just so tight. She's getting a little warm now. That one says nothing. That one says nothing too. Beautiful. Now, I'll just show you in a minute. And there's something else biting. It's not mosquitoes. Ain't no mosquitoes out here. It's just something else out here flying around, biting me the hell up. Get out the way. Finish. All right. Put on safe and get my magazine. Beautiful shoot. Absolutely love it. Ahora, very briefly, let me give you just a little bit of talks on this. Vamos a hablar de esto un poquito. As you can see, todas esas no son moscas, se llaman love bugs, bichos de amores. Y son horrible. Okay, so the Springfield Hellion is a bullpup configured rifle that just has all of everything that you could be looking for as far as a left-handed shooter. Now, it is a fully ambidextrous rifle. Left side, right, hold on, let me catch my breath, y'all. It is 800 degrees out here. It is so hot. Whew. Fully ambidextrous rifle. Super great functions. The trigger on it is a little bit heavy, but it's not nothing that you can't work through. Again, all of your functions are pretty much at the back of this rifle, as you can see here. So this will be your magazine release. It's an AK style magazine release, and your bolt drop is right here. So you would just engage that forward and your bolt will drop. Or you can actually charge from your charging handle, which is ambidextrous as well. You can flip it to the left side or you can flip it to the right side, however it is that you choose. Now, this has to be the most ergonomically comfortable shoot for me. My arms are not the longest. I tell y'all all the time I have that T-Rex syndrome, but it just lays into my body so perfectly. I enjoy this to the max. Ahora, hace un calor que estoy ahogando. Esto es un rifle en el estilo bullpup. Este bullpup tiene todas las funciones que se puede hacer para los tiradores con la mano izquierda o la mano derecha. Eso se puede cambiar. Todas las funciones son atrás en el rastrero del rifle y me gusta. Yo, como tengo los brazos más cortos, esto tiene que sentir como un, ¿cómo se dice? El más, no sé cómo se dice comfortable. The most comfortable shoot para mí teniendo los brazos más cortos. Y esto es el Springfield Hellion en 5.56.223. Yeah, this is, for me, This is the dawn of bullpups, in my opinion. Love it, love it, love it. The Springfield Hellion. What did y'all think? Do you have one? If you have one, let me know. And let me know if you did anything to the trigger. The trigger for me is quite heavy. So if we can take care of that, it would be awesome. So with that being said, have you checked out www.yokegang.com? If not, make sure that you do. Thank you for supporting the channel just by watching this video. Y otra pregunta. Si lo tienes, ¿existe algo con el gatillo? Déjame saber. Y ve para el website, coge una camisa, un patch, algo y apoya. Gracias por apoyar, por mirar este video. Y ustedes saben que te quiero mucho, mucho, mucho. Y'all already know I love y'all for life. Peace.